2:30 a.m. Another day, another volcano. So this time it's Mount Bromo, and you go to a place called Killinkin Hill for sunrise, and then you cross the Sea of Sand, which is a few kilometers, and then up the volcano for the morning. I've heard that the sunrise spot can be chaos, and I wouldn't be surprised because in the last 5 minutes I've probably seen 15 of the same sort of old 4x4 go past. So we'll have to see. It's an hour drive, so better get to it. Everybody uses these old Toyota Land Cruisers. Just waiting, it's pretty cold. And like an idiot, I forgot my trainers, so I'm barefoot. Little feet are getting cold. Quite a long wait till
so what time is it?
It's like 3:30. Yeah, it's 3:30.
3:30. Okay.
We have an hour. 1 hour.
One hour, and then we have to go up.
I was told, well, I wasn't told. I watched a video and a girl came here on the weekend and was just like, do not come here on the weekend. There's still loads of jeeps, but just hope that it's not cloudy. You can see Bromo from here.
Yes, that's right.
Right, so it's overlooking Bromo. Terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
Oh, that's gonna be. Yep, like an idiot. That's way too hot. Thank you. It started, but we've got a load of cloud coming in that might ruin everything. But I mean, it's been really nice anyway. There's a girl here that came yesterday and you could barely see past the grass. It was just full cloud. But yeah, even if you don't see Bromo, it's been very nice. And as per usual, it was cloudy about 15 minutes ago, and now it's clearing up. Hopefully it carries on clearing up and we can see the volcanoes. My feet are so cold.
When did it last erupt? 19?
No, 2015.
15? Big eruption?
Yeah.
And just like that, the clouds are back. I don't think we're going to be able to see the full view. So I think we're going to head down, go to the Sea of Sand, walk across that. Hopefully that's clear. And then walk up Bromo. The sunrise was still really nice. But when it's completely clear, if you look up photos, you can see like multiple volcanoes. It looks amazing. So I'll just have to live vicariously through those photos. Right, head down. Well. Just as we were about to leave, everything sort of cleared up. And everybody left like 10 minutes before that happened. So there's nobody here now. clouds are sort of, it's cloudy and then it's clear and then it's cloudy. I mean, it's only still 6:45, so people have got plenty of time. I guess people might have been getting cold. I guess the tip is wait it out and the weather will change, hopefully. Right, Sea of Sand now, and then to Bromo. Never seen so many Land Cruisers in your life. So there is a stretch of sand that you walk across. I think it's probably a couple of kilometers before you start the climb. It's just a bit annoying having to walk in flip-flops. I have nobody else to blame. Going up there doesn't look like a particularly hard climb, but the crater rim looks pretty amazing. Horses everywhere. Nick, if you're watching this, you'd be freaking out. Too close. Hop, hop, hop. Yeah, boy. Whoa. It's deep. So Mount Bromo last erupted in 2015, and apparently when it was erupting, I think a German guy came here and unfortunately died. I mean, that's a really stupid move, but it is suddenly turned into an alien landscape. Volcanoes are awesome. They're after Messiah, they're like my new favourite thing. I've enjoyed this 3 days, or 2.5 days. You don't get a lot of sleep because I drove from Canggu to the harbour, 4 hours, hour ferry, 1 hour to Ijen, straight up at 2 AM, come back down, 6 hours to the waterfall, and then it's an hour to the hostel, sleep, up at 2:30 AM or leave at 2:30 AM to go for the sunrise, then to come here. It's all been worth it. I mean, I do have 6 more hours back to the ferry, 1 hour on the ferry, and then 4 hours back to Canggu. So 10 hours of driving ahead of me, but definitely do it again. It is expensive, you know, £350, about that, for a private tour. But again, I got to stay and leave whenever I wanted to, and I just really like that flexibility. You can fly to Surabaya and then take your time, or Yogyakarta and do it yourself. I don't think you need a guide, but it does help to just do it in one big foul swoop. It's a long way down into a volcano. Look at this. What? Apparently you can't see the lava, and when I zoomed in, it's sort of like sulfur gas coming out. You can see the yellow like in Mount Ijen, but either way, it's a pretty it's hard to put in words. It's a crazy landscape. Excellent. Okay, probably head back, get ready for the journey. It's only 9 AM. We've got time. Okay, might as well get on a horse. Whoa, this horse doesn't want to be. Horse tried to kick me as I was getting on. Cost me 50,000, so that's £3. It's not bad. People got to earn a living somehow. Actually a reasonably comfortable horse. Yeah. For some reason, sometimes you just can't get in the rhythm with horses, and it just hurts your ass a lot. But, I mean, we're just walking, we're not trotting. The guy's guiding me. I'm sure we're not allowed to take it by ourselves. Thanks, buddy. Thank you, man. Enjoy. Thank you. Okay. Bit of a sour taste. He wasn't very nice to the horse. He had a stick and he didn't refrain from using it. I had to ask him to stop. Oh well. Anyway, back for some breakfast and then 10 hours journey back to Bali. Would I come out of my way just to do Bromo if I was in Bali? I think if you're going to do Bromo, you'll do Ijen anyway. I would go to Ijen just overnight and then back to Bali. So do both is good. Gives you a bit of time, gives you an extra 24 hours.